students, welcome back to Greater Chennai Corporation's YouTube channel. Today we are going to deal with Unit 4 Grammar Conjunctions. Before we go deeper into the topic, I am going to play a short video for you to learn conjunctions.
Let's learn about conjunctions.
I can join anything in the world, says Super Balu. Can you join this? Asks Gul. There you go. Can you join this? There you go. Let me see you join these words. Oh look, he has joined the words. How did you do that? I used my conjunction power, says Super Balu. But what is a conjunction? Conjunctions are joining words. They join words and sentences. So instead of saying, Crow has an apple, Crow has an orange, you can use the conjunction and to join the two sentences into one. And the sentence will now read, Crow has an apple and an orange. Here, and is a joining word. How about another example? Jojo can go to the circus. Jojo can go to the astrologer. You can use the conjunction or to join the two sentences. Jojo can go to the circus or to the astrologer. Let's take another example. Thud is big. Kitty is small. You can join the sentences using the conjunction but. Thud is big, but Kitty is small. So there you go.
Hope it was a useful intro for what conjunctions are. Shall we go into detail? Yes. Are you ready? What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are used to join clauses, phrases and words together for constructing sentences. Conjunctions are also known as connectors. They connect. What do they connect? They connect words, phrases and sentences. And they are also called as linkers or link words. Here is an example for you. I like cooking and eating, but I don't like washing dishes afterward. See here, the conjunction and is used to join cooking and eating. So here it is used to join two words. Whereas here this conjunction but is used to show contrast. That is, I like cooking and eating, but what I don't like? Washing dishes afterwards. So but is used to show contrast. Sophie is clearly exhausted, yet. Here is a conjunction yet which is similar to but there is a slight difference. She insists on dancing till the dawn. Again it shows a little contrast. Is it clear, children? There are three types of conjunctions. Let's have a look here. Conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. Now let's go into detail about what are coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions link two group of words that independently make sense. Very important point to note that these coordinating conjunctions join words that independently make sense. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions which are by far the most common one. There are many coordinating conjunctions, but the most common conjunctions for you to remember are for, and, nor, but, or, et, so. Fanboys is an acronym used to remember these coordinating conjunctions. Now let's see them in sentences. I rang up, but he didn't speak to me. See, coordinating conjunction but is used here. As I said, they are used to join or link words that independently make sense. See here, I rang up is one group of words or one sentence. Another sentence is he didn't speak to me. This sentence and this sentence contradict with each other. There is a contrast. I rang up, but he didn't speak to me. So wherever there is a contrast, but is used. Slow and steady wins the race. Here two words are joined with the help of a conjunction and. Finish your work or you will not be sent home. Here is a conjunction or. What does or refer to here? It implies choice. You must finish the work or you will not be sent home. The child was ill, so he was admitted in the hospital. The reason the child was ill, that is why he was admitted in the hospital. For reason you use so. He is rich, for he is hardworking. See here, for is here used instead of because, but it has a more impact than because. He is rich because he is hardworking, but to stress more, here we are using for. He is rich for he is hardworking. We next move on to subordinating conjunctions. What are subordinating conjunctions, children? These conjunctions help us to introduce subordinate clauses. They are also used to join subordinate or dependent clauses to main clauses. In complex sentences, you all know that it has a main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. Subordinate means dependent clause. Subordinating conjunctions are when, though, although, since, until, till, after, as, before, if, unless, whereas, while, in case, as long as soon as much as, therefore, so that, because, as if, however, etc. Now let's look at these subordinating conjunctions in examples. Unless you work hard, you cannot secure good marks. In this sentence, you will see that it has one main clause. What is a main clause? Which has a subject and a predicate of its own. And it is independent. This is a main clause and this is a subordinate clause because it has a subordinating conjunction. Unless is a subordinating conjunction. This particular part of the sentence, unless you work hard, cannot make sense on its own. It has to depend on the main clause to convey its meaning. Let's look at the next example. Wait till I return. Here wait is the main clause. Subject is missing. You wait. For example, we can take it as you wait is the main clause. Till I return is the subordinate clause. Till is the subordinating conjunction. He is honest, though he is poor. Though here is a subordinating conjunction used for contrast again. He is honest. Both are contradicting points. He is honest, though he is poor. As John is very weak, he is not able to walk fast. In this sentence, he is not able to walk fast is the main clause and as John is very weak is the subordinate clause because it has the subordinating conjunction as. Let's look at the next example. I will return home after sunset. After is a subordinating conjunction here. My uncle entered my house while I was doing my homework. So while here denotes time. Next move on to correlative conjunctions. What are correlative conjunctions? These conjunctions are always used in pairs. They come in pairs. Two connectors in each sentence that are related to each other are known as correlative conjunctions. The correlative conjunctions are not only but also together. They are pairs, I told you. Either or, neither nor, both and, not but, whether or, etc. Examples. Sheba is both a singer and a dancer. They do not come single. They come in pairs. Both and. See here, both and. Sheba is both a singer and a dancer. Neither Jane nor Ram has attended the function. See here, neither nor is a correlative conjunction. No sooner did the teacher enter the classroom than the boys stood up. No sooner than they come together. Scarcely had they gone out when it started raining. Scarcely when is a pair. The car is not only economical but also feels good to drive. Now let's move on to conjunctions and their functions. It's on page number 103 in your textbook. Look here, here are the conjunctions and here are the functions they do. And not only but also as well as moreover, furthermore, besides, in addition to all these conjunctions, they add information. Since, as, for, because, since then, before that, after that, these are used to indicate cause or reason. But, yet, still, nevertheless, on the other hand, though, although, even though, however, on the contrary, these conjunctions are used to express contrast. Therefore, consequently, then, so that, hence, thus, these are used to show result or purpose. Whenever you have a doubt in filling what conjunctions I have to add in a particular sentence, you can refer this table. Is it clear, children? When, while, after, before, till, until, as soon as long as, these indicate time. If, unless, whether, in case, provided that, these are used to add condition. If is used in condition. For example, if I drop this glass, it will break. So it's a conditional clause. So this conjunction, if is used to show condition. Is it clear? Or, either or, neither nor, otherwise, or else, these are used to express choice. Likewise, similarly, are used to denote comparison. Wherever, these are used to denote place. Let's move on to your textual exercises on page number 104. Let's start with exercise A. Complete the sentences given below by choosing right connectors. I told you in the beginning itself, conjunctions are also called as connectors, linkers or link words. So here you have to use the appropriate connectors. Call me dash, you need money. They have given you options. So that, in order that, in case. Call me in case you need money. Is it clear, children? I forgot dash, I had to meet the principal. Which will be the right connector, children? Tell me. Excellent. That. Dash is 90 years old. He is in the pink of health. When, since, though. Which is the right answer? Very good. Though. It is raining. Take an umbrella. Dash, you will get drenched. Or else. And, but. What is the answer? Excellent. Or else. It is raining. Take an umbrella or else. You will get drenched. They faced many hardships. Dash, they are always cheerful. They faced many hardships. Nevertheless, they are always cheerful. We next move on to exercise B. Fill in the blanks with connector that goes with the underlined words. Both the minister and the officers visited the affected areas. What is this particular conjunction? Which category it belongs to? Coordinating? No. Subordinating? No. Very good. It is correlative. They come in pairs. Both and. Excellent, children. Both the minister and the officers visited the affected areas. Jaya teaches not only English but also science, correlative, not only but also. Okay? Either Raghu or Bala will have to buy vegetables from the market. Either or, to show a choice. Either or is used when you want to denote a choice. No sooner did I enter the house than it started drizzling. No sooner than. We next move on to the next exercise C. Combine the pairs of sentences using appropriate connectors. We came late. We did not miss the train. We came late. Contrast. Though they came late, they did not miss the train. So you can use though, although, even though, any conjunction can be used. Even though we came late, we did not miss the train. I have also worked out all the answers here so that you can go through and refresh yourselves about conjunctions. They checked the packet twice. Then they sealed it. There are two sentences here. So what should you do to join the two sentences? You have to use a conjunction, connector or link word. But you have to use the right one or the suitable one. They checked the packet twice. After they checked the packet twice, they sealed it. Sita saw a snake is one sentence. At once she ran away is another sentence. As soon as Sita saw a snake, she ran away. Robert completed the project. He submitted it to the teacher. When is used to denote time. The conjunction when denotes time. When Robert completed the project, he submitted it to the teacher. Yusuf was running high temperature. He could not take part in the competition. Cause and effect. Since Yusuf was running high temperature, he could not take part in the competition. What are the conjunctions used here? Even though, after, as soon as, when, since. Is it clear, children? We next move on to exercise D on page number 104. Here is an easy exercise for you. Just you have to tick the correct link. Dash he was honest, he was punished. But and though is given, the right answer is though he was honest, he was punished. Walk carefully. Dash you will fall down. See, there is a choice. You have to walk carefully, you will fall down. Otherwise you will fall down. My mother called me. Dash I was playing football. So, while. My salary is low. Nevertheless, I find the work interesting. The passenger rushed to board the bus. Dash it arrived. As long as soon as. What is the right answer? As soon as. Very good. We next move on to exercise E. Here supply with suitable linkers. All this time you were doing with sentences. Now you are doing small paragraphs. Dash I was alive when I was alive. Time. When I was alive and had a human heart, answered the statue. I did not know what tears were. For is used here instead of because. For I lived in the palace where sorrow was not allowed to enter. Place. For place you are using the conjunction where. My courtiers called me the happy prince and happy indeed I was. To add information. So I lived and so I died. Many writers make incorrect sentences when they try to put sentences together. They may make grammatical errors and leave out important punctuation marks. Making such mistakes is quite common while denotes time, like when. While preparing the first draft. So, he must carefully edit his final draft. We next move on to question number 3. In most large cities, and towns. See, here and is used to connect two words, cities and towns of a country. There are special schools for girls. Besides, see here there are special school for girls. Besides, there are many co-educational schools where girls and boys, look at this picture, where girls and boys study together. Most parents allow their daughters to attend these schools, but here exception, okay? But there are some parents who are against such schools for girls above the age of 14 or 15. Last exercise F. Rearranging. Rearranging the words in the correct order to make meaningful sentences. As, I, healthy, are, you, am, as. All you have to do is rearrange them. I am as healthy as you are. You are today put on new since is birthday dress the. Since today is your birthday, put on the new dress. You can also write this as put on the new dress since today is your birthday. But just to show that you can also start with a conjunction, I have written it like this. Third sentence. Though Rani is allergic to dogs, she has 6 of them. Besides German, Reuben speaks 2 languages. If you apply for a loan, you will get it immediately. Here the conjunctions used are as, since, though, besides, and if. Is it clear, children? Children, we have almost covered all the exercises for conjunctions. Take your textbook and again go through all the exercises on page number 104 and 105 from A to F. See you in the next class with a new topic. Bye-bye. Take care.